How to mail merge from Excel to Word to Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook application. So I have it open. I also have Excel open right here. And I also have Microsoft Word open right here. So now what you need to do first is that you need to create your own Excel file right here. So as you can see, I already have my Excel file and it has information right here about the first name, last name, email of that person, city where they live in, state where they live in, postal code, and phone number. So you can put any information that you want for your Excel file so that we can use it in mail merge. So I'm just using like this as an example. And then what we can do in the mail merge is that we can use this individual information right here so that we can have a unique email for each of them. So we just have a template, but we just need to change like the specific information about each individual right here. So to do that, right here in Microsoft Word, you need to go here in mailings. And then from here, we need to select the recipients. So from here, click use an existing list. And then from here, we just need to choose the file of this Excel file right here. So let me just find it. So the file of this Excel file that I created is here in my folder called mail merge sample. So I can open this and then it should now let me use this particular table. So let's use sheet 1 and then from here we should now have the chance to use the recipients. And to use the recipients, we can just use insert merge field. So from here, you can see we have the same details from our Excel file. We have first name, last name, email. Here, first name, last name, email, city, state, postal code, and phone number. So we can go ahead and use that. So let's say we use the recipient's first and last name right here. We have the first name. And then we have their last name right here as well. And then we can see that when we go ahead and check for the details or like the look of the mail merge later. So let's just insert this first. So let's use this one, city, state, and zip code. City, and then state, and then postal code. Address, let's just remove this. And then we can put their first name and last name right here. And then you can put your name right here, and then phone number, and then sincerely remarks. So from here, if you now want to see how it looks, you can click preview results, and then you can see that the information right here changes. That is depending on our table right here in our mail merge Excel table. So when I click next, as you can see, it will change the information right here for each of the recipients. And then now that we're finished doing our mail merge, we can now send this in an email using Outlook. So to do that, you can simply click finish and merge right here and then click send email messages. And then for the to field, we're going to use the email field right here so that it will send to each individual emails. And then for the subject line, you can put any subject that you want. So for example, I'll just put information reminder, since this like email right here is to introduce yourself and provide the contact information for future. I'm just going to put contact information, and then like that. And then for the mail format, you can choose HTML, and then send records. We'll send this to all people in the Excel file. Once you're done, click OK. Now it will use your account to send the email. And as you can see, it's now loading for each individual data in the table. And then now we can go to Outlook. Then we should see that right here. So it's still loading yet, so we just need to wait for it. So if you cannot see it in your Outlook application, you can also open the classic version of Outlook, because sometimes it uses that to send the emails from your mail merge right here. So here I've opened the classic version of Outlook, and then now we can see in the outbox. So as you can see, we now have the emails from our mail merge right here. So as you can see, it has the same subject. We have this 7 people right here that is included in our mail merge, and then now it's in the outbox, so it's being ready to be sent. So you can also check on the email itself right here to see how it looks. Okay, so now we can see the email right here, and it has all of the correct information that we have inserted in our mail merge Word file. And then that is it. So you just need to wait for it to be sent to the people right here. And then you have now successfully created a mail merge from Excel to Word to Outlook. And then from here as well, if it's taking long to be sent, you can just also manually send it. But now you can see that it has already been sent to the recipients right here. And additionally, you can now also see that this mail merge emails is now also sent from the new version of Outlook. Then that is it. So that is how we can mail merge from Excel to Word to Outlook. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.